ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद आवर सूर्य नमस्कार। अपने आप से सूर्य नमस्कार करें। If you're not doing Surya Namaskars, then we can also do breathing. Continue for one more round, one on the right and one on the left. If you want to end, you can end it on the left side and then sit down. आराम से बैठ जाओ और आंखें बंद कर लो। Eyes are closed. Relax your whole body. And let's start our session with the practice of gratitude. Big bright smile on our face, चेहरे पे बड़ी सी मुस्कुराहट हो और मन में धन्यवाद बोल सकता है किसी भी 3 चीजों को, लोगों को। That's how we tune our mind to gratefulness and gratitude. And with this state of mind, let's start with our prayer.
Yogi पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिं रानतोऽस्मि। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
Take a deep breath in. Hold it, and let's start with our laughter. Again, take a deep breath in. And then expand your hands and do that. One more time. Breathe in again. And expand your hands. Okay, welcome to Thursday. We are going to focus on the core. But before that, let's do some warm-up. Let's all stand up, continue to walk. Simple movements that we'll be doing for first 10-12 minutes as warm-up. Let's continue to walk first. Add in a little more energy. Come on. Thoda aur tez. And if you wish to, you can also do a small jog. Continue. And with the walk, we start. Go back to walking. Simple walk again. With the walk, we go hands up and down. 30 seconds. Try to stretch your hands behind. And let go. Now keep your hands loose. हाथों को ढीला छोड़ना एकदम. And just move your hands like this. You have to hit slightly. Keep moving. Ten seconds more. Hands are loose. And relax. Now you can keep your hands on the waist and jump out and in. Otherwise, we do left to right. Continue 30 seconds. Every movement we are trying to do for 30 seconds. And let go. Now keep your hands like this. Now you have to try and move your hands in circular movements with your knees coming up, 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 up. Continue the movement. Try to get rotational movement. Okay, it's not just simple knee to toe, it also is upper body twisting. Make sure that you're breathing in and out through the nose. नाक से ही सांस लेना है. Continue to walk. 30 seconds of a simple walk. Control your breath. जितना आप सांसों पे कंट्रोल लेकर आओगे उतना ज्यादा बढ़िया. Move your hands. Keep moving as much as possible. We know the rule. Sometimes if you're not able to do something, always remember to walk at least. And relax. Now, one leg forward, one leg back. If you can go slightly down, like this, or else if you have knee pain, you simply keep standing like this. And now go up and down. Simple movement. 1, thoda aur niche jao. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Come back in the center. Take your hands up. Try to go down, touch. Try to go down, touch. Now a simple movement. 1, 2. No, it's not opposite side. Same side. 1, same hand, same leg. 2, 3, 4. Very good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And change the side. Again, go back in a Veerbhadrasana 1 position. Bend your knee only if you do not have knee pain. If you have knee pain, keep it straight and go up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Come back in the center again. We'll do the side touch one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Go back again towards the other side. Veerbhadrasana 1. Now, what we do is we move our shoulders like this. Forward 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't have to make sure ऐसा आपका elbow सीधा होना चाहिए, बिल्कुल जरूरी नहीं है. You can bend and do as much as possible. and relax. Come back in the center again. Now this time directly go to the other side. Again, Veerbhadrasana, one position, hold and go forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let go. Continue to walk. Take your hands up, pull back, and try to go down as much as possible. Pull back and try to go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Continue to walk for 30 seconds. Always remember, do not try to match the speed. Just do it while we are doing 20 counts. Treat it as a timer, not as the number of repetitions. Otherwise, you'll always feel like, अरे हमसे हो नहीं रहा है. कोई बात नहीं, 20 की जगह 10 किया तो भी चलेगा. Now, what you have to do is move your hands like this. Move your hands like this. Same movement, but hand movements. 1, 2. Try to go down if you can. 3. Very good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Continue to walk. While you're walking, we'll repeat simple movement of our hand stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, the same hand stretch, but in a diagonal direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now, a simple stretch forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Continue to walk. So this was our warm-up. ये हमारा warm-up था. I'm assuming that all of us feel free in the body. Usually when we start, body is slightly stiff. It's not ready to move. But slowly, when we do some activity, it opens up. So I'm assuming you're feeling a lot more free right now. Let's do Tadasana. Interlace your fingers, stretch up. Pull your stomach in. पेट को अंदर खींचो और हाथों को ऊपर पुश करो. Pulling the stomach in has to be done with a lot of effort here. And slowly go down. In and down. Activate your stomach region or the core. Core मतलब पेट का area. And down. 3, down. 4, पेट खींचो अंदर. Down. 5, जोर से ताकत लगा के पेट को अंदर खींचना है. With all your effort, pull your stomach in. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. With every time, pull your stomach in. 8, 7, 6, 5. Focus on the core, focus on the stomach region, pull it in. 2, 1, and relax. If you pull your core or the stomach with a lot of effort, it actually starts to feel in the muscles. पेट में जितने मसल है वहां फील होने लगता है आपको अगर आप अच्छे से ताकत लगाते हो तो. Okay, now push your hands forward. Now lift your toes up, pull your stomach in and push your hands forward. 1, पेट को अंदर खींचो. 2, 3, 4, 5, pull your stomach in. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Keep your right foot forward. Toes pulled in. Take your hands up. All the way down. Stretch your hands back. Come back up 10 times. 1. Again, every time you go down, pull your stomach in. 2, 3. हर बार नीचे जाएंगे तो पेट को अंदर खींचना है ताकत लगा के. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9. ताकत लगा के अंदर खींचो पेट को. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And change your leg. Remember, all of this we are doing so that we can repeatedly pull the stomach in. Of course, we are also moving other parts of the body, but primary attention has to be core. Okay? जब पेट को अंदर खींचने बोलता हूं तो ऐसे कुछ करना है आपको. देखो ये पेट है, थोड़ा ये बाहर आ गया है, अब ये अंदर चला गया. So this is the stomach pulling in action. Okay, this is what we want. Normally it's like this. When we go down, we suck it in like this. ऐसे. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? हमारे मसल्स को हम एक्टिवेट कर रहे हैं. दूसरा पैर. Come on, continue. Take your hands up. Go down. Pull it in. 1, 2, 3. पेट को अंदर खींचो. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Keep pulling your stomach in every time you go down. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Continue to walk. And now lie down on your back. पीठ के बल लेट जाओ. We'll work on the core. Now with the holds. अब हम holds पे काम करेंगे. We will hold the poses. First, we will do our Ardha Halasana. Everyone, hands under your glutes. हाथों को कमर के नीचे रख दो. अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप तकिए को कमर के नीचे या गर्दन के नीचे रख सकते हैं, जहां भी आपको ज्यादा प्रेशर फील हो. You can keep a pillow under your lower back or the neck region. Now lift your legs up. You can keep your knees slightly bent or keep them as straight as possible. जितना straight रखोगे उतना ज्यादा बढ़िया. तो कोशिश करो पूरा सीधा करने की. And hold it for 30 seconds. Continue to breathe long and deep. सांस लेते रहो, सांस रोकेंगे नहीं. Stay there. Feel the activation in the core. पेट के मसल्स यूज हो रहे हैं, ये अपने आप पता चलेगा थोड़ी देर बाद. तो उसके प्रति सजग रहे. Be aware of that. Slowly bring it down. Relax. One more round. Lift up. You can lift up at 90-90 or you can keep your legs completely straight. Your choice. Make it easier or challenging on how you are feeling. जैसे आपको लगे वैसे आप challenging बना लो. But you have to stay there for slightly longer. Hold it. Continue to breathe. If you wish to, you can keep your eyes closed and be with yourself. यहाँ पे अब आंखें बंद करके बस वेट करना है. We have to wait for some more time. Your eyes are closed and you're just waiting. Be okay with the discomfort of no instructions. And slowly bring it down. Relax. We'll do it one more time. एक आखिरी बार करेंगे. दोनों पैर ऊपर कर लो. Lift your legs up again. And be there, eyes closed. For the next some time, there will be no instructions. So just be there with yourself. कोई इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं होगा. अपने आप साथ आंखें बंद करके कुछ समय के लिए आसन को होल्ड करिए. Very slowly bring it down. relax. Now we are going to do isometric dead bug. So you have to keep your right hand on the left knee. Right hand को left knee के ऊपर रखकर थोड़ा सा pressure देंगे. So your knee is trying to come towards you and the hand is trying to push the knee away. Okay. So hold this. This will activate the core. Your other limbs, the left hand and the right leg, you have to go out and up 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. This really activates the core like anything. इससे पेट पे काफी अच्छा प्रेशर आता है. किसी को अगर बहुत तकलीफ हो रही हो या ज्यादा टफ लग रहा हो तो 10 की जगह 5 बार, 2 बार, 3 बार कुछ भी कर सकते. The other side, activate. Push your left hand against the right knee and right knee against the left hand. Press करो, activate the core, पेट पे pressure feel होगा. The other two, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. कभी भी ऐसा लगे कि प्रेशर पीठ पे आ रहा है या गर्दन पे आ रहा है तो रुक जाना है. If you feel the pressure is coming on your lower back or the neck region, you do not continue beyond that, you stop. That's an indicator that the strength in your core is not there. जब पेट की ताकत खत्म हो जाती है तब वो पीठ पे या गर्दन पे आता है. We'll do it one more time on each side. Activate. Push your left knee against the right hand and right hand against the left knee. Pressure and go up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. The other side, press your right knee against the left hand and go up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let go. Now, I want you to push your lower back towards the floor and pull your stomach in. पेट को अंदर खींचना है और रीढ़ की हड्डी को जमीन से टच करने की कोशिश करनी है. Pull it in. Keep your core active. Imagine you're creating a vacuum inside your stomach. पेट के अंदर, पेट को आप बहुत अंदर अच्छे से ताकत लगा के खींच रहे हो. and then release. When you release, naturally your stomach is like this. But when you pull it in, it goes like this, or under. And you're literally pulling the muscles inside. This is how activation looks like. हो सकता है उतना कंट्रोल ना आया हो, which is absolutely fine. We are going to do this 10 times. Take a deep breath in first. Breathe out. Pull your stomach in. Push your spine towards the floor. लोअर बैक में और जमीन में कुछ अंतर होगा, उसको कम करने के लिए कोशिश करेंगे. नहीं होगा तो भी रीढ़ की हड्डी को जमीन में पुश करो. Try pressing your spine in the floor. And release. Take a deep breath in again. Breathe out. Pull and activate. Pull your core, push your spine down. You can also activate and do the Kegels hold here. Release. One more time. Breathe out. Pull. Release. It's okay if you're not able to hold for a longer duration. Do as much as possible. Breathe out. Pull and press your spine down. One more round. Breathe out and pull. Release. एक बार और करेंगे. Breathe out, pull. पेट को अंदर खींचो और रीढ़ की हड्डी को जमीन में पुश करो. And release. Breathe in. Breathe out. Pull. And let go. One last time. एक आखिरी बार करेंगे. Breathe in. Breathe out and pull. And let go. It looks like a simple exercise, but great to activate the core. Core activation is super important. ऐसा हमें लग सकता है कि अच्छा पेट की चर्बी कम हो, ये हो, वो सब एक जगह पर है. बट कोर एक्टिवेटेड रहता है तो हमारा ओवरऑल लाइफस्टाइल बहुत ही बढ़िया हो जाता है. एनीवेज, चलिए लेट्स डू पवन मुक्तासन. Try to pull your knees closer to yourself with the support of your hands. हाथों की ताकत से पैरों को छाती के पास खींचो. Let go. Setu Bandhasan, heels close to your body, knees pointing up. Lift your waist up. Now squeeze your glutes. कमर को और थोड़ा ऊपर पुश करेंगे, पेट को अंदर खींचेंगे. Let go. सुप्त कपोतासन और अर्ध पवन मुक्तासन. Left ankle on the right thigh. Bring your right knee closer to the chest. And relax the other side. Let go. Natarajasana. Extend your hands. Turn your head to the right. Take your right knee to the left side. The other side, look to the left, twist to the right. And relax. Vishram kare. 30 seconds, relax completely. Let go of all your efforts. सभी प्रयत्न छोड़कर पूरी तरह विश्राम करेंगे. And slowly turn around, lie down on your stomach. पेट के बल लेट जाओ. Hands by your side, chin on the floor. Lift your right leg up. Knee straight, toes pointing out. Relax the other side. Let go. Make a fist of your hand. Keep it under your groin region. दोनों हाथों की मुट्ठी बना के जंघा के नीचे रख दे. Lift both your legs up together. Bring it down. Relax. Hands under your shoulders. Lift your head up, chest up. Bhujangasana. You can also do upward facing dog. Come all the way up on your toes and feel a good stretch on your core region, stomach region. पेट के मसल को आज हमने बहुत एक्टिवेट किया है, तो थोड़ा स्ट्रेच भी कर लेंगे. And bring it down. Relax. Stretch your hands in the front. Viparit Shalabhasana. Hands and legs up together. दोनों हाथ और दोनों पैरों को एक साथ ऊपर उठाने की कोशिश करो. And if you find it challenging, we'll do one at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Bend your legs. Hold your ankle. Dhanurasana. Lift up. Keep pushing your body behind. शरीर को पीछे की तरफ पुश करते रहो. And relax. Makarasana. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Mentally chant 3 times. I'm healthy, I'm happy. मन में 3 बार संकल्प ले. मैं स्वस्थ हूं, मैं खुश हूं. Slowly sit up. धीरे से उठ के बैठ जाओ. Slightly twist on the left and twist on the right. One more time. Twist and twist. Stretch your hands up. Parvatasana. And Yoga Mudra. Slowly come up. What time is it? Oh, it's time for us to laugh. Okay, we'll start with first important announcement. On 21st, we have our World Meditation Day. तो उसके लिए एक special session रखा है. उसकी information आपको WhatsApp पे आ जाएगी. And I will also keep reminding you. So 21st is actually a Sunday, and hence a reminder that we have a special session for meditation. We are calling it Thoda Sa Pause, because a lot of times we are just running in our mind, especially not the body. And we need that break, we need that pause for some time. And then it rejuvenates our body completely. Yes? Okay. So what time is it again? It's time for us to laugh. Okay. Let's do our volume laughter. What do I mean by volume laughter? We'll start with a lower volume and then we'll slowly keep increasing. So for first, slow volume. Ha 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 ha. Ah, ha 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 ha. Slightly up. Ha 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 ha. Slightly up. Slightly up. Slightly up. Oh my God. Today the core activation and the laughter together is actually feeling more on the core. Okay, let's start again with the low volume. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 Oh my God. Oh, wonderful. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Keep your eyes closed. That natural smile on our face, our eyes are closed. We are smiling for ourselves. Feel that happiness inside. Feel that joy inside. And let's continue with Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. Breathe in from the left side. Breathe out from the right side. Breathe in right. Breathe out left. अपने आप से करते रहिए. Thank you so much for joining. We'll see you tomorrow. Remember, the session or meditation is on 21st.